In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps using App Lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down to access Security. After that, click on App Lock. If you have it already, enter it. And if you don't, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then click on Set up the App Lock and pick one of those options, like pattern. Now you need to create it. Choose Continue at the bottom and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, select Complete. Then tap on the back button and click on the sweater next to one of your apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Google Play Store. So now when I go back and try to access Play Store, icons that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable it from your app, go into the same security settings, tap on App Lock, enter your current app lock, and click on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!